Excerpt number 9 from Rabash, the agenda of the assembly 2. It's written, according to, in the multitude of people is the king's glory. It follows that the greater the number of the collective, the more effective is the power of the collective. In other words, they produce a stronger atmosphere of greatness and importance of the Creator. At that time, each person's body feels that he regards anything that he wishes to do for holiness, meaning to bestow upon the Creator, as a great fortune, that he has been privileged with being among people who have been rewarded with serving the king. At that time, every little thing he does fills him with joy and pleasure, that now he has something with which to serve the king.
Yes. 10 to read Excerpt 10.
Excerpt number 10 from Assorted Rules, Likutei Halachot. The ascension of the soul and its completeness is mainly when all the souls merge and become one, for then they rise to Kedusha, since the Kedusha is one. Therefore, the prayer, which is regarded as the soul, depends primarily on the unity of souls. For this reason, a prayer is mainly in public and not alone, so that one will not be separated and alone, as this is the opposite of Kedusha. Rather, we must unite the holy congregation together and become one. And this is a prayer in public, and specifically in the synagogue, for there the souls gather. This is the completeness of the prayer.
Question. Speak among yourselves, and I'm asking for ideas about what I should ask at the Congress. You or people who are thinking all day about the purpose. Every morning you're at the lesson, our lesson. What would you ask about? What would you ask the group, the people at the Congress? Please. Talk among yourselves and build a few questions, and we'll take them into account and start asking them at the Congress and see how we, by this, awaken the public. Please. If you're deciding on some questions that you want to ask, please write them down. Write them down. Every table, a few questions. Please. Right. So collect the questions and give it to who?
To the board worldkli@gmail.com. You can see it on the screens. That's the address for all Congress-related things.
Board worldkli.
Here it is.
boardworldkli@gmail.com. Great. So all the questions, every 10 from here and from all over the world that we now see on the monitors. Everyone, please send it there. It doesn't matter in what language. We here will try to bring them into one language, one desire, one heart, and we'll see what to do with them. Yeah? What do you think we should do with them?